Look down there. It's super scary, guys. We're up. We're super high up. That's Finn. Look, it's a table. And we still go further. I don't know where this is. Do they have drinks? They definitely don't have drinks, Mommy. But they have Coca-Cola. Look, it's super high. Even look at that boat over there. I see some people. They're super tiny. They look like ants. They look like ants down there. Yeah, they look like ants. Let's go. Mommy, can we buy drinks? Or we just sit down here? Pasin Sanchez, Wait, is that an IKEA? Wait, it's an SCP Foundation. Look, guys. There's 10 different SCP Foundations. Look. Wait, what? Oh my God, is that Jesus? Am I looking at Jesus right now? Wait, do you see that, guys? That look like Jesus. It's moving, okay, guys? Look, that's an SCP Foundation over there. Over there. Look, it's an SCP Foundation over there. Mommy, I see you too thick in this camera over here. Okay. Now what to do? Hello. Shippy, waka, chupi, Sapa Simba, Mitsushi, chupi, chippy, wana, chupi, Let's take a scroll. Wow, taking a stroll is really fun. So this is where to get it over here. Wow! That's so cool. And now I'm back here again. Mommy, nagsispin lang ako around. Nagsispin lang ako. Umiikot lang ako. Stand. Look.
Ikaw, Prince, picturean kita.